Okay, louder please. Hello. What's your name? Tin. Let's talk about colors. Show me yellow. I want to see the yellow color. Yellow. Where is yellow? Go on faster. Yellow. Okay, come up. It's yellow. Louder. Louder. No sticker. It's yellow. Do you like yellow? Yes, I do. I like yellow. Okay, now show me blue. The color blue. Blue. Very good. What color is it? Louder. It's blue. Blue. Do you like blue? Yes, I do. I like blue. Very good. Now, show me the red color. Red. Show me a red toy. Red. Okay, come on. What color is it? Louder. It's red. Well done. What about green? I'm looking for green. Green. Where is green? Come on, green. Faster. Okay. What color is this? Green. It's green. Okay, louder team. Do you like green? Yes, I do. Colors. Okay, high five. High five. Bye-bye. Next.